In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to check BVN on the UBA Mobile App. Begin by opening the UBA Mobile App on your smartphone and log in using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the section of the app that offers account services or personal information management. This section may be labeled as Services, Account Services, or similar. Look for an option specifically related to BVN services. It might be labeled as BVN Inquiry. You may be prompted to enter certain details to verify your identity, such as your account number, date of birth, or other personal information linked to your UBA account. After successfully verifying your identity, the UBA mobile app should display your BVN on the screen. The BVN is a unique 11-digit number that assigned by the Central Bank of Nigeria for identification purposes. You can save your BVN within the app or note it down for future reference. It is important to keep your BVN secure and confidential to prevent identity theft. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.